Welcome to Pingala's Talent Technical Enablement video. My name is Gaurav and I am certified Pingala Talent Consultant. In today's video, we will be leveraging Talent's T-file input JSON component to read data from a simple JSON source and then use Excel connector to output data to a XLS file using Talent Studio. But before we go to technical enablement, let me tell you who Pingala is. Pingala is a global digital transformation consulting firm with dedicated offices in US and India. We help customers such as yourself become data driven with solutions such as Talent and AWS, just to name a few. If you are interested in learning more about Pingala, please visit our website. In this video, we will be doing two things. Firstly, we'll be using tfile input JSON component to read data from a simple JSON file. And then we'll use tfile output Excel component to write that data to an XLS file. Without any further ado, let's begin the demo. Okay, you can create a new job by right-clicking Job Designs under Repository 2. Create job. Let's name the job demo underscore JSON to Excel. Always remember to write description as it can help uh, others understand about the purpose of job. Click finish once done. Now you can see there are no components present in the palette. To start creating components, you can simply start typing the name. You can see T file input JSON component here. You can double click to view the component tab. Okay, let's first change the name of component. We can name it load JSON data. And in basic settings, you will have to first define a file path for our source data. This is our source. Let me show you the source also. This is a simple JSON structure containing employee details of two people. Okay, let's go back. We'll need to define a JSON loop query to iterate it. Now we'll need to create a JSON loop query. As you can see, this one is iterating inside employee details. So we can do dollar employee details and select all. Okay, now let's build schema for the table. Here you can add many columns as you like. Employee ID, since it's a number, so we'll need to change it to integer. Employee name being a string, we don't need to do anything. And finally, employee age, which is again an integer. So let's change it. Click OK. Now we have defined schema. Let's define JSON query too. Always remember to put the query inside double quotes. Okay. Let's see the preview of our data. You can always use tlogRaw component for that. We'll need to connect it with main row. Okay. Now we need to define schema for this component also. You can simply synchronize columns. What this does is this simply imports all the columns from our earlier component and just select table print, which will show us the output in table format. Save the job and you can run it in the run view. Now let's see. Okay, so we have all the columns, as you can see: employee ID, employee name, and employee age. Right. Now we need to write this data to a Excel file. For that you can connect to a main row with a JSON T file output Excel component. Now let's configure the output component. First we'll define a file path. Let's keep it here. And let's change name to JSON output. Now, now what we need to do is we need to define schema for this output. We can simply synchronize columns like we did earlier, and you can see it has all three columns, right? Okay. We also want to include header, so click on include header and let's give it a name. Okay. Now let's save the job and you can run it in the run tab. You can see this is a successful one. Let's see the outcome. As you can see, it has all the columns. Okay, this concludes the demo. We would love to hear from you. You can contact us on our official website listed below, and you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. Thanks for watching the video.